नमस्कार दोस्तों। हाजिर हूँ मैं आनंद राठी विजय के साथ चार्ट्स पे चर्चा के नए एपिसोड इस हफ्ते के लिए। और इंटरेस्टिंग वीक रहने वाला है आगे, बिकॉज बजट भी है। फर्स्ट मंथ ऑफ द न्यू कैलेंडर ईयर का एक्सपायरी है, विथ 3 days ऑफ एक्सपायरी रहेगा पेंडिंग 26 को हॉलीडे रहने से। सो एंड लास्ट वीक वाज आल्सो इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी वॉलेटाइल। देखते हैं अब ये वीक क्या दिख रहा है। ओके, दिस वीक अभी पहले बैंक निफ्टी स्टार्ट करेंगे। विल लुक विथ द बैंक निफ्टी बिकॉज दिस इज मच मोर इंटरेस्टिंग कंपेयर टू निफ्टी। अगर आपको याद हो, लास्ट वीक कहा था कि ये ऑल टाइम हाई के पास बैंक निफ्टी जा रहा है, हो सकता है वेव फॉर्म कंप्लीट हो सकता है, जैसा समझाया गया था कि पॉसिबिलिटी टॉप पास में है। एंड इफ वी ऑब्जर्व बैंक निफ्टी लास्ट वीक, it has attempted to cross a high, all-time high, with a few points and reversed sharply on Thursday and Friday. Friday, if you observe, there was a very good follow-through to the Thursday's move, right? Opening से closing तक बैंक निफ्टी one side down था, and with very high volumes. These volumes are higher after December bottom of around 29,000 in bank nifty. The interesting part is bank nifty has broken the support of end of the days जो 31,500 के बाद इधर था, उसको बहुत ही फास्टर रिट्रेसमेंट किया है बैंक निफ्टी ने, विच मीन्स 2.5-3 days जब तक इसको बैंक निफ्टी हैज टेकन टू क्रॉस और हिट अ न्यू हाई, विद इन शॉर्टर टाइम इट हैज कंप्लीटेड एंड ब्रोकन द सपोर्ट ऑन अ थर्ड अटेम्प्ट। पहला एक सपोर्ट होल्ड किया, सेकंड टाइम होल्ड किया, थर्ड टाइम इट हैज ब्रोकन द सपोर्ट। बट इंटरेस्टिंग very much over here is this was the very important resistance and net support taken as per this दिसंबर मिड वॉल्यूम्स। दिसंबर में जो वॉल्यूम्स आए थे, वेरी हाई वॉल्यूम्स यहाँ पे जो दिखते हैं, उसके वो जो बॉटम बना था अराउंड 29,000, उसके पहले का जो रेजिस्टेंस था 31,000 जो हाई था, उसके पहले का जो हाई बनाया हुआ था, एंड उसको ब्रेकआउट करने के बाद में वहां पे जो सपोर्ट लिया था बैंक निफ्टी ने फ्राइडे, उसको टेस्ट भी नहीं किया है फिलहाल। On one hand, it looks like giving a breakdown. On other hand, it is right near to the major support. So what it indicates, possibility if this breaks 30,900, 31,000 zone, ये वाला जो सपोर्ट है, अगर बैंक निफ्टी ब्रेक कर दे, specifically this cluster support, it can move slide fast towards 29,000, this 28,700, 29,200, 29,000 zone of December bottoms. So everything depends on bank nifty around 31,000, 30,900 zone. Very important support है coming week के लिए। अगर ये मंडे के दिन ही जाता है and bank nifty does not attempt to cross back above 31,000 on Monday, हो सकता है by expiry we can get 29,500, 29,000. The move can be very fast. Possibility of the move going very fast if this goes away immediately, because volumes very high थे Friday के दिन, and these volumes were after a follow through selling on a Thursday. Thursday के बाद में follow through आया था. Now if we observe the weekly chart, बैंक निफ्टी ने 8 weeks के highest weekly volumes बनाए हैं. If we observe this weekly chart, volumes on weekly chart are also highest, and last week का जो selling candle में बनाया था, जो उसका कंफर्मेशन वेटिंग था प्रीवियस वीक में, उसका लास्ट वीक ये गए, सो लास्ट प्रेजेंट वीक में बैंक निफ्टी ने कंफर्मेशन दिया इनडायरेक्टली बाय क्लोजिंग बिलो दिस डोजी, और व्हाट यू कॉल इट एज स्पिनिंग टॉप काइंड ऑफ, नॉट एन एग्जैक्ट स्पिनिंग टॉप कैंडल्स में। सो जो भी हो, वॉल्यूम्स हाई, वॉल्यूम्स सेलिंग, नाइस सेलिंग ऑन अ डाउन साइड विद सप्लाई, everything indicates कि possibility of downside is high, but the very important support being near, price has to respect that support, so respect the demand over there. So once if that demand gives away 30,900, 31,030 zone, then this can be a fast slide towards 29,500, 29,000 within a week. Clear hai, Vijay?
Yes, go ahead.
So shall we move to Nifty then?
Yeah.
Okay, चलो अब Nifty देखते हैं. Nifty, I'll be starting with a weekly. If we observe, this is a weekly chart of Nifty. पिछले 4 weeks से रेगुलरली हायर वीकली वॉल्यूम्स बन रहे हैं, फर्स्ट थिंग. एंड नेक्स्ट इंटरेस्टिंग इज लास्ट वीक जैसा अपने देखा था कि निफ्टी ने indirectly doji kind of candle, and last week यानी कि जो अभी वीक गया है फ्राइडे का, हाई वॉल्यूम यानी कि बैक टू बैक 4 weeks of high volumes and 2 weeks में within this range volumes आए हैं, back to back high volumes of last 2 weeks within a range of 14,300 to 14,650 broadly. Minor spike इधर या उधर गया है, but 300-350 points range we have seen high volumes back to back with increasing volumes. On selling side, everything indicates a time to be very alert and cautious given budget ahead. And if we observe again same to Bank Nifty, here also these volumes are highest for last 7-8 weeks, even in Nifty. ऐसा बैंक निफ्टी में देखा था उसी तरह निफ्टी में भी 8 weeks के highest volumes आए हैं. What this indicate? We'll move to daily chart, but most likely, as already discussed in the last week, possibility of 13,100 increases. Here is the daily chart of the Nifty. This was the previous week volume based on which we said possibility of the top being done. There was a follow through to it, and then Monday follow through आने के बाद में Tuesday उस stop loss hit किया, and it has tried to give a breakout and failed to give a breakout. यानी पहले selling दिखाया है, but it has tried to negate the selling, the downside जो दिया है उसको negate करने का कोशिश किया है market ने. It failed to do it, and it is likely to move lower now. Will it or will it not? क्योंकि अभी तक निफ्टी ने लोअर टॉप लोअर लो बनाया नहीं है, अभी भी हायर टॉप हायर लो चल रहा है. सो अंटिल 14,250 ब्रेक्स, निफ्टी will not be making any lower low. We need to respect that. जैसा बैंक निफ्टी में 31,000 इंपॉर्टेंट है, निफ्टी में 14,250 इमीडिएट इंपॉर्टेंट है. इफ दिस गोज then 13,800 can be the faster move, 13,800, 900, and this is going to be the very important. After that, if 13,100 becomes a very critical, as I have explained even in last week, this is going to be the very critical support level for this up move because of this back to back high volumes in December. ये 2 crore plus volumes बहुत days, weeks, months के बाद आया है. So broadly speaking, 14,250 immediate very important support for the Nifty. If that goes on Monday itself, then there is a highly likely of expiry being somewhere around 13,800. If 14,250 below, Nifty closes on Monday, and stop loss for this trade will be 14,400 if 250 breaks. Until 250 breaks, the trend is up. Lower top, lower high will not be forming. It will be just higher top and higher low forming. So we need to wait for a formation of the lower low. And for much better detail and target lower targets, you can refer back to a last week's episode chart of Charts Pe Charcha, where we have clearly set the targets of 13,100, 10,800 possibility if top is done. I repeat, if top is completed, which will be known only if supports break. Clear?
Yes.
Anything to add, Vijay? Any changes in the possibility of wave count or same? Yeah.
So we were here last week जितना भी price damage हुआ है, while it is about 3%, I think, it is still above the 20 DMA, which is around 14,290. So until it breaks the 20 DMA and closes below it, we need to, keep in mind that this could still be in an uptrend. But whenever the 20 DMA goes, and that's when we can probably have, a little more confidence कि वो जो lower targets की बात हम कर रहे हैं, 13,100, that should come. But till that point, it is always better to be careful because it is possible that it is simply a B, and C correction, which doesn't go very deep. Because in a bull trend, corrections are all very shallow.
Very shallow, yeah.
So let's be watchful of that. उस हिसाब से हमें trade करना पड़ेगा. But I think from what we discussed last week, I think some good trades emerged. I hope people have taken advantage of that. So now we'll move to some stocks.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the big picture of Reliance monthly chart. This 3 and 4 could very well be another 1 and 2 because 4th generally itna deep retracement nahi karta hai. But I have kept it at 4 because it did not breach wave 1. So it still respects the Elliott wave rules. This is a log scale chart. Even assuming that this is 4th, and is this 5th done or is it just one of 5th? We don't know. Time batayega. But if we go into the weekly chart, again, the 40-week DMA that is acting as a support for quite some time. अगर देखा जाए तो नवंबर में भी ये support था, दिसंबर में भी यही support था, right? And उसके बाद जनवरी में भी it acted as a support once, twice, and thrice. So it has spent a lot of time in this price range between the 10-week DMA, 20-week DMA and the 40-week DMA. अगर हम daily chart पे जाएं, so from about 2370, it came down, and this is clearly a 3-wave move. ये हो सकता है कि एक wave A यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ है. Wave B can be a triangle. Wave B can be a simple ABC. It can be anything. तो जब तक price इसी zone में घूम रहा था, it felt like this whole thing is a triangle that's happening. But lately it has broken out. So ये simple wave count दिख रहा है हमें. This is wave A and this is wave B. C के अंदर 5 waves होते हैं. So this is 1, 2, 3. Yesterday's dip might be 4. It may have one last kick up left. It looks like that is it. उसके बाद, a big wave C should unfold. How far will it go? Again, we don't know, but it may go back to the previous 4th wave. We'll wait and see. But 1690 के आसपास तक तो आ ही सकता है. So for this coming week, we should not get overly bearish with this. We should wait. हो सकता है कि अगर ये low break करता है 2035, then we can go into bearish bets. Otherwise, we could look at near the money call options next week के लिए. Even if you look at, I think, volumes, this is a drying up of volumes, typical of a triangle or a wave 4. ये ऐसे price भी जैसे dip करता है, volumes भी वैसे dip कर जाते हैं. So this is definitely some form of consolidation happening. अब वो consolidation, upside breakout के लिए है या downside breakout के लिए है, we'll know in the next 1 week.
So broadly,
but for now, yeah, we should be looking at upside because it is holding the 40-week DMA.
So 20 on immediate reference would be 2030 and
2160, yeah, 2170 on the upside.
Okay.
But अगर इसके ऊपर closing देता है तो then some really bullish alternatives open up, because then we can assume that this ABC itself was a full correction which is done.
I would like to add,
but only
you
yeah.
remember, we have discussed Reliance couple of times also previously, and in one of the episodes for in November or December, we have clearly shown that 2100 to 1800 is the most likely range to sustain in it for some time, and it has already taken 2 months from then. नवंबर
Yes.
मिड में दिसंबर में डिस्कस किया था. सो एंड इफ वी
Yes.
ऑब्जर्व जो फ्राइडे को रिवर्सल आया था 2120 2100 के पास से ही एग्जैक्ट वो रेसिस्टेंस के पास से आया. This becomes once
Correct.
again important. See, either this the present selling of Friday was just a trapping before it crosses this 2100 resistance. If that is the case,
Yep.
then we can expect some big upside till 2300 2400 plus.
Correct. Possible hai. See, this is the high volume weekly candle that I have marked. Right, 2040 उसका high था.
Okay.
उसके ऊपर closing मिला है अभी. You know, weekly closing is 2050 almost. So 10 rupees above the high volume candle. So the closing is also very encouraging, but I will become very bullish only if it closes above the 20-week DMA,
2100.
which is at 2066.
Okay.
So it is not very far away. तो पता चल जाएगा. I think once it moves above this, we'll know.
So Reliance will be dominating the
So yes. So weightage इसका है अभी भी. I know HDFC and other banks have taken over, but still Reliance moves the market.
If the Reliance moves, the sentiment moves. This drives the market.
Correct. Because the other way to look at it is अगर एक A यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ, you know, this is like A, B, C, D, E. You know, that's one way to count it for bearish. But जब तक price action confirm नहीं करता है, हमें बिल्कुल bearish नहीं होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए, because this could actually surprise on the way up. You know, if this is A, what stops it from B going all the way up here or even making an irregular flat? वो भी possible है. अगर निफ्टी में एक दो waves ऊपर की बची हैं, तो maybe, you know, it's Reliance that pulls it all the way up. So with this 2040 as support, we should be looking at near the money call options for this month. Yeah. So that's about Reliance. Then we'll move to another interesting chart, Indigo. So this is a long-term chart. Monthly scale, you know, a big wave one ended here, A, B, C. This wave 2 ended here, and then a clear impulse monthly scale में भी दिख रहा है. देखो, you can count 1 2 3 4 5. And उसके बाद एक ABC correction हुआ है. Yeah, this correction actually ended here. July में end हुआ है. This is not the bottom. This is the bottom. Right. वहाँ से the move has been, you know, textbook Elliott wave. You know, wave 1 2. ये थर्ड के अंदर के सब डिविजन्स हैं. 1 2 3 4. You know, one possibility is maybe this is wave A, B, and C. This is 4. ये भी एक possibility है. We can keep in mind. But even assuming that this is 4th, 5th ended here, so the third wave finished here. A, B, C. So 4th wave यहाँ खत्म हुआ है. And the last 3-4 days का जो action था, it basically went up in, you know, the first of 5th wave. And this yellow line 1597 is again a high volume zone. Not once but twice. यहाँ पे भी मार्क किया मैंने इस कैंडल का हाई, और यहाँ पे भी मार्क किया मैंने इस कैंडल का हाई. थोड़ा सा ऊपर है, but still in the same zone. So it is taking support there only every time. So again, this is a stock that we could look at as a bullish bet for the coming week.
And maybe this looks like some interesting investment pick too, if it's in a third wave on a monthly.
Yes. Any dips, you know, generally airline stocks are not investment stocks because they are loss making across the world. But Indigo could be a case
That
because
speaks a lot.
their market share is quite huge, when compared to the others. I wouldn't look at it as an investment, but definitely as a trading stock, it's fantastic. And I think these targets are possible in the next couple of weeks, 3 weeks time. So Indigo may, we could look at, like a 1700 call. 1700 call काफी appreciate कर गया था 2 दिन पहले when this top was made, and then it corrected a bit. I'll go down the scale. अगर हम, this is the half an hour chart. Very clearly you can see 1 2 3 4 5. उसके बाद ABC correction खत्म हो गया कल, most likely.
Interesting trade
So
opportunity.
maybe, yes, maybe you could wait for the price to move above the moving averages, which is around 1675
1680.
on a half, on a half an hour scale, and then buy a 1700 or a 1750 kind of call.
If you
So this is a
if
good
you have
bet.
this daily chart, if you observe, any day if Indigo sustains
This
above
is daily.
1800, this is on a new breakout.
Correct. This is going to break out big time, because अगर ये wave 2 है, so this is weekly, and if we project Fibonacci extensions from here, right, this is 2. So the targets are huge. इसके लिए scale change करना पड़ेगा. So it's already achieved just 61.8% of wave 1, right? So equality भी हो सकता है ना. Wave 3 can be equal to 1 or even longer than 1. So if we project this length from here, it goes into 1900, 2000 उस level का. Anyway, so that is long term. But for the week, we could look at near the money calls once the stock moves above 1670, 1675 zone. Then there's a lot of action in metals. I want to discuss the metals index. Right. So this is the metals index daily chart. Wave 3 was slightly longer than wave 1, right? 1.38 times. Within wave 3, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave 3 has finished, and there is a small ABC correction within that. ये दिख रहा है. It is resting on the 40 DMA. So मुझे लगता है कि metals index में correction खत्म हो चुका है. We'll see the same pattern across major metal stocks. अगर आप टाटा स्टील का चार्ट देखो, या हिंडाल्को का चार्ट देखो, या वेदांता का चार्ट देखो, आपको almost similar pattern दिखेगा. So I'll move to Vedanta. This is a stock that has been given textbook moves. So it has been fairly easy to actually buy calls and also puts at key levels. Last 2 months mein, like I really milked this one chart. So this is the daily chart.
We discussed also this.
Yes, we discussed this I think 2 or 3 weeks back. I think we were somewhere here at that time. See, 155 is a massive high volume zone. ये देखो volumes, right? The low of that candle is 158. 155, sorry. The low of the candle is 155, which is why I marked 155. Once that zone cleared, right, it took a few days to consolidate above that price. देखो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 दिन approximately. And then it took off. And if you see the shape of this, it's a shape of a typical, wave 4 triangle kind of a thing. So within the third wave, we've just finished the first wave of Roman number 3. And we have now started a small correction. So I think A यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ है, this was B. So we are in a C wave down. And I have a strong feeling that this high volume zone will not break for 2 reasons. One, this is the low of the high volume zone. to the 40 DMA is very close to it. The 40 DMA is at 155. तो ये 155 का जो जोन है ये बहुत important zone है इसके लिए. If this holds, it's a very bullish wave that's going to unfold after that. So I had bought these around 90, 100 and I'm holding on to them. I'm going to add more for long term. डिविडेंड भी अच्छा दिया है स्टॉक ने. इनफैक्ट इस साल इसने 2 बार डिविडेंड दिया है.
रेगुलर डिविडेंड पेइंग.
डिविडेंड इटसेल्फ वाज आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग सम 13%. इतना तो एफडी पे भी नहीं मिलता है. सो दैट वे इट्स अ फैंटास्टिक स्टॉक टू होल्ड. फॉर ट्रेडिंग we should wait the next couple of days for this correction to finish, and the moment it finishes we should not feel afraid of buying call options anything maybe 170 maybe even 180 because ये है तो third wave तो ये काफी fast move होगा ऊपर की तरफ. Yeah, so this should be on everyone's radar. Anything close to 150 155. एक छोटा सा gap है यहाँ पे unfilled है, right? So this gap is between 151 and 155. 4 रुपए का gap है. That's hardly anything. Yeah, that's it for this week. I think we have some good bets.
Okay, that's it for this week. So याद रहे 14,250 on Nifty and 31,000 on Bank Nifty. Very important levels to be watched for an expiry of 3 days expiry. And we will be back with next week just before the budget with some interesting, hopefully some interesting opportunities pans out. And please don't forget to join the Telegram channel where we have updated during the week many times. And hopefully
yes. Telegram channel is where you will get real-time updates from us. So please join it.
Yeah. So do join Telegram channel and subscribe to this channel. So once we cross 500 subscribers, hopefully we'll be doing a live episode of Charcha Charcha around expiry week. Thank you once again for this week.
Yep.
Happy weekend.
See you next week.